Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently at the airport. Like I've been here from maybe like after 5 now. It's about after 7. Honestly, I just fancy to like sit down. I'm at Heathrow Airport. I don't like this airport. I've been walking around trying to find food for ages. I'm in Terminal 4 and there's more shopping than there is damn food. And I was hungry. And when I'm hungry, I'm not the friendliest person. So I was like, I'm gonna avoid this camera until I can get some food in my system. So now I'm starting to feel a little bit more like myself. I just sat in a corner. So I'm gonna relax a little bit until I get like a notification on my phone that my flight is ready. Like check-in was so long. Such a long check-in process. I already checked in from online and then I had to like check in again. So it didn't even make sense for me to check in online. But the lady was really nice after I do like my document checks, that sort of thing. The lady was really nice. She was like, "Oh, I saw that you're in like a middle seat. You're going really far. Do you wanna like change your seat?" And I was like, "Actually, yes, I do want to change my seat to a window seat if that's possible, please." Actually, she did. She did suggest like a window seat. She was like, "Do you want a window seat?" And I was like, "Yes, please. Like, thank you so much." So yeah. So I got like a window seat both ways. I'm gonna be meeting my friend in Doha. She's already on her way. She's been on her way from like probably after 6 her time. She left for the airport and then she reached around. She start going off probably like after 10. So yes, and I'm like sitting down. I'm gonna like edit like a vlog. I have like a vlog to edit. I want to edit this so it can like go up. I have a few hours, especially on my flight. It's a long flight for the first one. I'm leaving from Heathrow to Doha, and I'm gonna get there in about 6 hours 45 minutes, and then from Doha I'm gonna meet my friend and we're gonna go off to our final destination from there. So we have a long way to go. In total it's about say 15 hours for me. For her it's probably like 26 hours. So we have a long way to go, but I'm really excited. Let me show you like my view. I get like a really nice seat and it's really quiet now. Kids like start come around. So let me show you my view. So that's currently the view in front of me. I went to the basement just now to pick up like a few snacks because I was messaging my friend and they were saying you should probably get some snacks to eat on the flight. I know when my other friend that I'm gonna be meeting, she said the flight they kind of like give them loads of stuff, not snacks, but like blankets, that sort of stuff. And I'm saying that normally for long haul flight, they normally try to give you that sort of stuff based on what I can remember when I visited Jamaica. And I'm flying with Qatar Airlines, so they're like a really good airline. So I kind of did expect, and I heard that the food is good. But I picked up like a few bits, and it's so expensive in the airport. I'm gonna tell you. I picked up this. It's like a protein wafer milk chocolate, just something to give me like a bit of sugar and protein at the same time. How much protein this have? Doesn't say how much protein. Because I'm mechanized, I don't have my proper um mic on this. It's in my bag, it's way too big. So I kind of like pack up everything. And I bought like a Quavers, something to like munch on, and then I grabbed some chocolate. I just got some M&Ms, the peanut ones. And yeah, that's all I have to like eat and stuff before my flight. Before I was thinking that my luggage was overweight. But I make sure to say to the girl when she was checking, she was a really nice girl. And I said to her, I'm a bit worried about this one. And she was like, "Oh, it's fine." And then when I put it on the belt, I was like, "Are we good?" It was like 28. I think our bags are meant to be. I'm not too sure for Qatar if it's 30 or 23. I'm not too sure. But yeah, really happy now because I got some food. So I'm feeling a little bit different, which is like starting to feel like myself again. Before, if someone say, "Hey, I'll thump you," that is how hungry I was because I only actually had food to eat like one time today. So yeah, I only have food to eat like once a day. So you can imagine how miserable it be. And I also worked this morning as well. I just love this view. Like, yeah, I worked this morning, so I only did like a half day. I changed topics so quick. I'm just looking at the view. It's nice seeing like the planes take off and stuff. Anyways, that's just what I'm up to at the moment. I haven't even gone in duty free. I literally only gone in WH Smith because I'm not really planning to buy anything. There's nothing that I need. Necessarily. I mean, I could walk around and look, but then at the same time, it's really nice here to just sit down and relax. I guess. Just arrived in Bangkok. I'm about to give you like a room tour, so I was like, let me just step out the room and give you like a room tour. So extra. Anyways, I've got my key here, and the room is such like a spacious room, guys. Like honestly, give you a tour. So when you come in, you have a big mirror here. Oh. We have a big mirror here. I have to back at the door. We have a big mirror here, and then we turn around and we have our little bags, and then closet. Wait. We just have like 2 robes, slippers down there, iron, a safe. And then we have the bathroom. The bathroom is like proper open, but then we have like the blinds there. We have like a bathtub. We literally just reach in and like, let me do the tour before the place mess up. This big mirror is so nice. Definitely have a do makeup here. Take a few pictures. Oops. Oh, the bathroom and the toilet and shower is separate. And then you have like the toilet there. Oh, it's a fancy toilet. I don't know what these buttons are though. You have like shower, massage. Oh, I'm definitely gonna test this out. You have like a massage thing. Bidet, wash out your booty. Oh, you can even dry it as well. You can even you can even change the temperature of the seat. What? So that's that, and then here you have like the shower. This is such a nice bathroom. I want my bathroom to look like this. You have the shower here. Yeah, it's like just a shower. It's like a very spacious shower. I hope the pressure is good as well. I love shower with like high pressure. Right? High pressure. You know, you get like a good shower, and then it's just like lingering. Yeah. And then through here is the room. That's the room, and I spin. The letter's like a little welcome letter. It's Anya's birthday, so they make like a cake. But they put my name on it, put Mr. Charlton. I did put your name in the note as well. I'm right to them. Like the name is theirs. I don't know why they put, but it's the top that counts. Where's the minibar? Right here. Oh, it's just water.
Oh, there's a cake.
Oh, they left you like a cake. Oh, that's nice. So they left like a birthday cake. Well, that's nice of them. They left the cake. And then, yeah, this is it. We have like a view, but I'll have to show you the view tomorrow.
Yeah, it's dark.
Yeah, because it's quite dark, but we have a nice little view. I'll show you tomorrow. And yeah, that is the room tour. Now the plan is it's about 9:26. It's probably like after 3 in the UK and probably like after 10 in the US, right?
Yeah.
So we go shower and then we're gonna try to explore because we sleep all the way up on the plane. It was like a long journey. I had to had like 15 hours. No, 12 hours the first journey and then 7, and then I have about 6. In total about 15 hours for me. So quite long, but I sleep like all the way. Sleep, watch movies, sleep through the movie, all of that. So we're gonna like shower, freshen up because we need to freshen up. And then we're gonna explore the hotel, and yeah, until we need to sleep. I'm just looking at some of the amenities that they have. Show you guys. So they have like dental kits in these. You get like body lotion. That's like shaving kit. I wonder if this is like this is actual razor, you know. They give you like a razor.
Yeah.
And shaving cream, I think. Yeah, and this is like a vanity kit. I'm guessing. What's in this? Oh, this is like Q-tips and stuff. And this one is like a nail file. Oh, that's good. I did brought like a nail file. Just in case, you know, sometimes your nail kind of weird for the side. You need to file it on. Because of that reason. I'm trying to like connect the speaker, but I don't know why it's not connecting. And I definitely did charge it. The Bluetooth is not connecting on this speaker. This guy play music on the phone. We're gonna take it slow tonight. We're probably gonna end up eat. What do you think we're gonna eat? Junk food or something. It's always like that on the first night. Hey. Hello. Yes. Oh, thank you. You can probably put it here.
Where are the washcloths?
Oh. Washcloth.
Oh, they're folded up right there.
Wait.
Could you give me a washcloth?
You can put it here. Thank you so much. Which one is the vegetarian?
I'm not sure. Wait 1 second.
Oh, there's one in here.
We've ordered room service. Literally, when we came here, guys, like, we haven't left our hotel room. Because we're like, today is like a chill day. I have like my bonnet on. I've took a shower. And it's like showering now as well. I put my robe on. We were meant to go out. And we were like, you know what, F it, we're just gonna order room service. So we both order burgers. I had to order like a beef. No. She ordered like a vegetarian Angus burger, and I ordered like I think this is vegetarian, and I ordered like the regular beef, and then ginger ale, Diet Coke. Yeah, so this is pretty much what one. So yeah, we're gonna dive in. I'm gonna wait until she finish shower, and we're gonna have this to eat. I'm so tired now, guys. Like, I'm very sleepy, but it's weird because wait. It's lean. Yeah, it's weird because now it's like after 7 in the UK, but now it's like after 1 here, and it'll kind of mess me up. It'll kind of mess me up. So I'm probably gonna like sleep early so I can wake up on their time. I say early when it's like after 1 a.m. But very excited for the food. Very excited for the food. Can't wait to eat. The bed is so comfy. Like, it's gonna be so comfy tonight. Like, I literally can't wait to like, yeah. But anyways, we're gonna eat. Well, I come out sometime, but not tonight. Oh. Next on my Thailand travel diary.
Okay. Bánh gói cha. Quẹo quá. Hiệu quá.
With cars in the front, you'll probably hear the sound from the roof above. I know we only just
Is it 2 hours?
this could be fun.
How much? How much?
1 packet 400 baht for both package.